Hi everybody, it's Tammy, and today, to quote Jang, I has a box. I thought I would christen this new studio with it. I don't normally do these sort of boxings, but I think this is something a little bit special. So I've already ripped off the shipping label. This has come from Australia to the UK. And to open this, I'm actually going to use this little tool. Use it to like push off your cuticles. So if you've got a nail kit, this is really good. But these are just really good for getting into the tiny little nooks and crannies that have sellotape and just running all the way along there. Okay, so this package took me just under 3 weeks to come from when I ordered it. And, oh, here we go. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy. Hello. Opening up. Okay, everything's in bags. Oh, blimey, okay. McToran or Tahunga. The 2001 sort of McToran figures that came in McDonald's promotions in mostly America, and there's been some recent like eBay listings showing that they have been released in other countries with some like kind of 2002 style packaging. But let's get into here. Okay, masks. Body parts. So lots of heads, arms, both boxing and throwing. Do you know, I felt so stupid. I think it was only a couple of years ago that I realised that this one here, the one that's not for throwing, was supposed to spring that back, and it knocks masks off, because that was the whole thing in 2001, wasn't it? And finally, discs. And also finally, feet. Okay, I didn't realise this was going to be a build video, but apparently this is going to be a build video. We'll start with sod it, we're just going to open up all the bags. Actually, let's switch over to lower cam. Let's see if we've got a disc view. So not all of these have discs. I haven't got a HAL disc here, but that's fine because I've got some of my own. Right, let's move on to Yahoo! Kongu! Onapu gets a disc! Yay! Kongu 2, Electric Boogaloo. And finally, Kongu 5, Empire Strikes Back. Okay, so we have got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm quite excited by all of these, and if I add in my existing collection of McToran style figures, Maku, Bafu, Naparu, Huki, Matoro, and Kongu. Now you notice that my existing McToran are slightly different because they have got matte headpieces with coloured eyes. And that is achieved by using one of these axles with a pinhole in, sliding the matter head on, and there you go! Eyes for you, McToran. The Paru here I'm giving a little gadget based on what he had in the Borok animations. I'm still lacking a round flat tile just to put on the this bit here, but otherwise it's pretty much there. So now that we've got all of our McToran, let's see what we can make using spare masks and feet for
Akmau, boo hiss. Holly. Takua.
Tabu! Alvi! Yeah, I know there's some argument as to whether some of the Code McToran had black or dark grey armour. Okay, so if there was one McToran I wish I had more of, it would be Jala, or the entire McToran body, because firstly, I really want to have an 01 style Takua. But secondly, I really want to be able to do this. It's Kapura, everybody! I really wish that I had a red Ruru for him as well. I did actually have one a while ago, and then I sold it, and I'm regretting it. And oh, they look so dead without the light in their eyes. They look so dead, but that's okay. Kapura's just walking. This guy's just supposed to be a random lame McToran who got infected during the Borok animations. I'm really annoyed for not having the teal Kakama that comes with the Tarakava at the moment. So I'm just going to take this off and put a placeholder mask on there of, whoopsie, Kakama. Or yeah, that's cool. Okay, well, I've at least had fun. I don't know if this was entertaining to anybody else. Give the video a like if you like, give it a dislike if you like, and I'll hopefully see you soon for another video.